Welcome to my channel. In today's recipe, we are going to be making bagiyas from ugali. Yeah, this is a crispy snack that you can prepare for the kids. This holiday, it is so easy to make and so simple. Just 2 ingredients and you are done. So we are going to start by preparing ugali or posho. I mean, the same way you prepare your posho, the same way you cook it at home is the very way that our first step goes like. So start by mingling. I used half cup of maize flour and then added like 2 to 3 cups of boiled hot water. So start and then prepare your posho, your ugali, and then we are going to set this aside. Once it is ready, transfer it in a bowl. So in this bowl, we are going to like toss it around, like mix it around as we cool it a little bit until it is no longer that hot before we add in our next ingredient, which is the cornstarch. The cornstarch will make the bagiyas extra crispy and crunchy. So I added like 3/4 cup and then added a little bit of lukewarm water in bits as I mixed that up until you have a very nice soft dough with no lumps in it. I seasoned with a little bit of salt. If you have or if you love any other spices or herbs that you would love to add in your bagiyas, then at this rate you can add them and then go ahead and mix until you have a very soft dough that we are going to use to squeeze out the bagiyas. Kindly subscribe to help me grow, like the video and leave a comment below. Don't forget to turn on your notifications to be notified whenever I post a new video. Then at this rate, heat up enough oil for deep frying the bagiyas. Once the oil is ready and it is heated up, then start squeezing in the bagiyas. There are very many equipments within your kitchen that you can, get use of to come up with very nice bagiyas in different sizes, shapes, and yeah, different sizes and shapes. So you can like use this big spoon like I used it. You can use a steamer. You can as well use a grater. So there are very many ways that you can like play around with your equipments and then come up with very nice bagiya sizes and shapes. I hope you like this, and it was one of those easy things for me to do. It was one of those recipe that I thought about, and I'm like, let me go for it right away. I immediately started working on it, and to my surprise, it turned out so nice, so yummy, so crispy, and they are so tasty. So they are so easy to make, very few ingredients within at home. I mean, you can even make this with leftover posho. You just have to mingle it. You just have to soften it, and then you add a little bit of cornstarch and then season it here and there, and you are good to go. So fry on medium heat until the bagiyas are a bit brown, and then you can drain this on a paper towel or kitchen towel to remove any excess oil, and they are ready to be served, to be enjoyed. Once they cool down, we are going to add them in an airtight container. I as well used a grater like you can see here, and I made different sizes, different shapes of bagiyas, and they were all so nice and crispy, and they are so easy to make. These can be prepared for the kids in this holiday any time of the day. I mean, kids love this a lot. They keep asking for more, so this is definitely a recipe for you, a mom out there. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. I have made different videos of bagiyas before, the cassava, then there is that of gram flour. So I quite have a number of videos of bagiyas, and also there is that Kenyan bagiyas. that is not like this kind of bagiya. So yeah, kindly go check them out. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. These bagiyas can go for up to a month once stored very well in an airtight container, and you can be enjoying this as an evening snack for you and your family. This can as well be a business venture. You can just play around with it, and get a little bit more creative with it, and then you have something so nice, something so unique, gluten free, and then it is so cheap. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Check out my other recipes, my other snack videos, and let me know what you think about them in the comment section. Until next time, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.